Okay, double rod wrap, also known as a piggyback wrap. It's a wrap technique whereby extra long hair is wrapped on one rod from the scalp to midway down the hair shaft, and another rod is used to wrap the remaining hair strand in the same direction. End papers, also known as end wraps, absorbent papers used to control the ends of the hair when wrapping and winding hair on perm rods.
Ammonium thioglycolate. An alkalizing agent is added to the thioglycolic acid in order to make the hair swell and to penetrate the cortex. Manufacturers use ammonia for this, and this creates a new chemical called ammonium thioglycolate, which is alkaline and is the active ingredient or reducing agent in alkaline permanents. Glycerol monothioglycolate is the main active ingredient in true acid and acid-balanced waving lotions. It has a low pH and is the primary reducing agent in most acid waves. Most acid waves also contain ATG, just like a cold wave. Although the low pH of acid waves may seem ideal, repeated exposure to glycerol monothioglycolate is known to cause allergic sensitivity in both hairstylists and clients.
Half-off base placement. Base control in which the hair is wrapped at an angle of 90 degrees or perpendicular to its base section, and the rod is positioned half off its base section. Yeah, you know. Keratin proteins are long-coiled polypeptide chains. True acid waves have a pH between 4.5 and 7.0 and require heat to process. They process more slowly than alkaline waves, and they do not usually produce as firm a curl as alkaline waves.
What are the basic building blocks of hair that affect how chemical solutions react? Amino acids, which are compounds made up of carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, and sulfur. Peptide bonds, chemical bonds that join amino acids together to form a polypeptide chain. Polypeptide chains, long chains of amino acid joined by peptide bonds. Keratin proteins, long-coiled polypeptide chains, and side bonds, disulfide, salt, and hydrogen bonds that cross-link polypeptide chains together.
So once in the cortex, the waving solution breaks the disulfide bonds through a chemical reaction called reduction. Main active ingredient in true acid and acid-balanced waving solutions, glycerol monothioglycolate. What chemical side bonds are formed when two sulfur types are joined? The answer, disulfide bonds.